Hello everyone, me TCarbZW, I'm playing past Hashian again, and we are gonna do what I'm gonna do. He's just here to help me. I'm gonna, stop, I'm sorry for saying weird. I'm gonna do the artillery only challenge. So we have, for artilleries, the Sniper Prince. I should probably buy a skin for it. Actually, I'm not gonna be using it. The Electron Berserker, I'm actually gonna buy a skin for Electron, because that's gonna be my like skin I'm gonna be using. See, into Destro. I'll buy it there. Alright. So yeah, for the first round I'm gonna be using the Berserker and Sniper Prince, and then for the second round I'm gonna be using the Electron and for the second round I'm gonna be using Electron and Sniper Prince, and then Electron and Berserker. See you in the match. We're about to join this lobby. I'm just gonna choose my vehicle. So for the first round, it's gonna be Sniper Prince and Berserker. So I'm just gonna get that underway. Ready up here. Yeah. So by the way, I bought custom skin for Berserker because that used to be the only vehicle that I used. But I've seen a lot of people like really good with electrons, and I'm gonna start using that. So hopefully it's any good. Alright, see you in the match. Alright, I'm in. About to get down. We're about to run down. Cheers. Okay, you can kick people from your party back. Hey, just in case they come on that. That's control. This is probably the second best one. Guess what? This thing is trying to be really popular. I heard it used to. I watched videos and it used to be really popular in the beta stages. It says it's been beta still. This game is about present. I don't know if they're like. I don't think. Okay, I was gonna say they're doing ways like to add like more maps and stuff. I understand how hard it is to develop a game that came out literally during the pandemic. Just how hard it is for like more PS5s. So yeah, time to change. To be honest, like Berserker is never really bad. It's only different than mods. Guys. Look at it, it's like so weak that it's crushing me. What's this? Oh, he got really sand. He got really sand there. I suppose the Sphinx also isn't that good, but it's not. Neither is the Tesla's. I mean, it is, but it isn't. You know, like how Tesla's like it shows you like it's definitely like like most of the time. Oh, look, now you're back. Okay, you're back. Did your bodyguards If I can't even talk, then I can't make it. Did your bodyguards help you? Oh, wow. Yeah, maybe because you have to have trooper defend you. And our tower is critical. Let's hope.
Your front tower is taking damage. Enemy front tower destroyed.
Alright, so that was not fair. Bodyguard protected this guy. That's good. This fit came from what? The heck? What the heck is going on? Can't wait to use the electron to shred people. Send the shred
Upgrade available.
I suppose these rocket shield combos overpowered. Sorry. I don't like it when people like grab me, even though like my English sound is like, oh my gosh, you're so this great at and then they're gonna friend me, and then like they're like, hey, why weren't you using this combo? And then I know it's for a YouTube video, and then like here they're like, oh, you're like that. It's like good, so like so I really bumped out.
Dropship deployed.
This thing, actually rockets are like so weak. Actually, it's gonna get out my way, bro. 150 gig. These bots are so low. Low for the big
Dropship deployed.
bots do something. Look, singularity after. He tried rolling up. He tried. But it didn't work. Oh no,
Enemy tower hall is under attack.
very too low. You may have killed me, but at least my mom thought you were low. Literally everyone else on my team is trash besides from Hashashian and Mer. Because literally Mer and I are both 6 and 2 and Hashashian's 3 and 2. I suppose Maximus is good, but he's just probably a good bot. And Mer's AFK, and he's 3 and he's 6 and 2. Why are you AFK? Well, Mer was pretty decent because he was able to get 6 kills. Heshtrip sucks. Pretty much everyone's good except for Heshtrip. Like for kills, for like quality, yeah, I think first of all Heshtrip needs more work. Maximus is just a replacement, so that doesn't really count. Ashashian pretty good. Did die a few times. Just like I'm about to. Oh, I fought the shield box. Alright guys, I'm back. The recording cut out. But yeah, anyway, the sniper print, which I actually called it China's off video, like the trap print, so I could shield like can't block kamikaze, so that's a big bummer, and I just hope I improve that. And this thing is slow as heck. I do not want, like, it's just gonna make me look bad using the electrons because it's so terrible. Where's corrupted? There you are. Came back for my revenge. Oh, now you have their bot bodyguard protect. Cooper, get a life. Oh wait, you don't have one because you're a CPU with no family. Maybe I should stop being like really talkative. Okay, he does have a family. His family, I think his family members are Willow and Maximus. Like Willow and Maximus should be his friend. Like Maximus could be the healer, and like Rosie could be like the mom. That'd be like Cooper's like, hey, sorry son, I'm just healing your friend. Over here killing you. I'm really weird. I'm not lying. sorry guys, I thought I just pushed the end video clip up there, so that's why there's no commentary for 30 seconds. Sometimes it takes like a while because it's like behind, but I guess I never even pushed it. And now you get to see the next clip of me dying. Okay guys, time to tell you something that I've noticed and you probably noticed too. My videos do not get a lot of support, and you really guys should support it because I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So I work really hard on my videos. I try to upload every day. It's really hard when you have online school. And yeah, so quickly can you just push that subscribe button. I work hard on my videos. I play with all the friends I can. I know you want more videos with you. He's back online, by the way. So actually, no. Yeah, okay. This is still from September. Some stuff I forgot to include the September announcements for you guys who are still watching this. Get access to like sign ups. So, if you guys didn't know that Brief is back online, and yeah, it's pretty great. Yeah, September is coming to an end, so I'm gonna have to make some October announcements soon. Maybe I should have made September announcements like at the end of the month, because then I'd be like, you should do it. If I made it at the beginning, like announcements are like at the beginning of the month. Yeah, it's fine. It doesn't matter when I do it. I just gotta do it all in one month. Yeah, anyways. So, funny story, that I should probably be saving. Yeah, I'm actually gonna save this. I have a bunch of stories I was gonna save for the October announcement. But yeah, I'm not gonna save for the October announcement. But yeah, the only announcement is that Brief is back online. That's the only one for September. The rest are all for October. Future months. I should say. I'm gonna tell you some things I really want though. I really want a PlayStation 5. Next 4 want the new Windows 11, even though the computer I bought in February works perfectly fine. But it's like it's really laggy, like sort of cheap and stuff. Like I sort of do want upgrades there. But like, so to tell you the truth guys, the reason why I haven't making any Minecraft Java edition videos is because it's laggy and stuff. But yeah. So it's laggy because like, well, it's a cheap computer. So I actually joined the Minecraft Discord server, and I said, hey, people were saying, well, play with me in Java. And I said, oh, so sorry, I can't because my computer's too weak and it can't run Minecraft Java edition probably. Do you know how? And they said, oh, use Optifine. Like, what's Optifine? So thank you to Discord members to telling me how to run Minecraft Java. I'm gonna give Optifine a little download because I want to make all these mod videos. And yeah, there's a bunch of videos I want to make that I know you guys are gonna enjoy, but I just can't because my computer is too weak to run Minecraft Java. And that's another reason why I bought. So I bought so I can like do better edits on my YouTube videos, which you guys know is go to end screen. I can only do on PC. I also want to make mod videos, so PlayStation has no mods, and instead of wasting money on an old outdated Xbox from 2005, maybe I can this year buy the new Windows, like get Optifine stuff, because I just want to make Minecraft Java edition. I don't know why I bought that computer. I think I was like scared to spend all my money because the PS5 was coming out, but hey, that was back in February of 2021. So I had no clue about like the PS5. So it's like should've, but I didn't think that I thought the PS5 would be out surely by summer of this year. And hey, now it's fall. PS5's been out for almost a year and it's still not here. So yeah, hopefully some more made. I think COVID really messed up like the releases of PlayStation products and stuff, you know. But like, yeah. So hopefully the PS5 can come. So yeah, those are two things that I really want, and I can think it can help improve my videos. Another thing I want is to like, I don't know. I actually don't know. I think those are the only two things I want right now. I also want a new joystick, but I already bought that, and it's going to be coming sometime in October. That's it. PlayStation still hasn't made any new DualShock 4s yet, so if they can't make a DualShock 4, like, and I have to wait a month for it, then how are they supposed to make a PS5? We're probably gonna lose this game because no one is going for the enemy base. So please, someone do. That'd be much appreciated. While this noob is stuck behind the turret. Berserker's actually trash. I think it's even worse than the sniper friend. I've died so many times with this thing. Corrupted. This is just gonna be a death montage if I don't get start getting heals. Alright, it seems like no one is getting the base, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. Thought I was supposed to be on a good team. Look, everyone's left except Mer. That's pretty much it. Hashashin, well, he is my teammate. He doesn't, like, I mean, he could leave if he wanted to, but, like, I already told him about the video. And sent me the yay message. And so I'm just saying random, so I'm gonna start saying random stuff now so you don't click off because me and my team suck so bad. So yeah, quick announcements. If you want to be in my videos, please read the official. Great, I can't buy stuff now. I think the game is broken. I can't buy stuff. I think the game froze. This bot isn't moving. My shooting is delayed, and I can't buy stuff from the store. Well, that's great to know that the game isn't working. This bot literally is my game frozen? Dude, can you move? Okay. Okay, what? Wait, this guy's taking damage? Okay, Hashashian lagged out. This game had a huge wide spike. I can't buy anything? Are these guys hacking? What is wrong with my missiles? Yo, what is wrong with this game? Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next round. What the heck? That was the biggest wide spike ever. I'm keeping that on YouTube. I don't care if it was cringy or not. But like, that was the laggiest thing ever. Hang on, I'm gonna go text Hashashian. Hey guys, I'm back. So yeah, the game had a huge wide spike. Hashashian texted me and said he has to go. So like, yeah, and I'm probably just gonna disconnect from this game. Well, we're about to lose anyways. I'm leaving. Stuff. So I'm about to invite him back. That the same problem was occurring to like nothing was hitting. Sorry. But yeah. Shit. See you in the next match. Alright guys, so yeah, the game had a huge lag, so we just lagged out, so I had to like unfortunately disconnect. But like I said, yeah, and I just found out some bad news about the Switchblade. So can you follow me? Follow me. Come over here. Hang on, I don't think my microphone's working. Give me a second. Hey, can you follow me? Alright, follow me. I need to show everyone's out here. Follow me. Alright guys, so unfortunately, so it says competitive season 5 is ending. Thanks for playing. So is it like gone forever? I don't know. Ooh, we're gonna lose. So yeah, we lost to. Alright, so we lost due to technical difficulties. Okay guys, I was just looking at the clip we just recorded, and it turns out a pro joined us. Hopefully they're on the team. Also on my screen, I don't know why the PlayStation logo is. Yep, back out. Oh, the pro backed out. Don't back out, don't back out, don't back out. And he backed out. Okay, guys. So unfortunately, I guess I wasn't saying the thing correctly. So the pro backed out. So I was gonna say back out because the pro was there. Then the pro backed out, but it was too late. And now I have to join this guy's party. So sorry. And I can't. No, I can't buy my skin. Yeah. After this round, I'm gonna be party leader again because I want to be able to buy my brand new skin for the vehicle. Stop dancing. Get back here. I want to keep chirping. Right. No. Oh, alright. This game's gonna be insane. We're about to get some good teammates. If these guys are against us, then this video will get no likes. I'm kidding. They're not gonna be against us. One or more of it, at least one of them has to be on our team. If not, then this game is rigged. Because, like, someone has to be. Like, Dark Hole. Who's that? Mr. Nobody? White, whatever. Okay, Sun has to be live streaming this. You know what? I'm gonna be the first person to live stream this. Right after I get a new controller. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. We only have White Rabbit on our team.
Sniper Prince.
Sniper Prince.
Electron.
Well, this is great. We could have just been in a game without a pro. But I said the word back out. Too late. It was too late. It was too late. Now we're gonna lose this game, so I'm just gonna have it be going at 2x speed. Alright, time up starts now. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni. Alright, so guys, if things sound weird, it's cause it's a time. My wish is time up, so the screen's gonna be faster. Okay, I'm just kidding. Obviously, I'm not gonna have a time lapse for the full game. I tried to trick you guys there by having it like have time lapse for like the first 2 minutes. But yeah, no time lapse here, guys. No matter how impossible it is. It's like, yeah, like I'm going up against a bunch of pros. I need to use the time lapse strategy. Time where all the pros are on this side. I shredded their mobs out. Sweet flashes on. What's up, Darko? Need some help here. Help. See what I mean? All of the pros are using this vehicle now. Who's getting better with it? That's the question. Sweet. Our team is terrible. I haven't gotten a single episode in the series before. I win at least one of the many games in this episode, and I'm not going to have that happen. Maybe we're not going to win this game, but we could win another one in the future. Okay, this is literally an infinite fight. We're playing like this for hours. Not really.
front
Are you
tower
gonna leave
core
me
is
alone
under
finally?
attack.
You know what? I'm just gonna attack this.
Your front tower core is critical.
Nobody. Mr. Nobody. Mr. Nobody. Mr.
Your front tower
Nobody.
core is critical.
Shotgun
Nobody.
storm.
Mr. Nobody. Okay. Alright. And those thing is cracked. It's gonna be hard to get when these guys on it. So we're probably just gonna do a back out. This time actually we're gonna do it the right way. And yeah. So we lost this game. I knew it. I knew it. We against too many sweats. Stop trying to get zapped, you dude. Cool, my homing's broken. Get out of here. Of course they're going the lane. Hey, if any of you teammates can hear me, can you just please go on the mushroom lane? That'd be really helpful. Right about now. Alright guys, I'm back and aren't doing so good. We're about to lose our second or third game. So that's not so good. Oh, now flash combat. I need to be on. Maybe for the Switchblade tournament, if I make some more Switchblade friends, then maybe I can host like a Switchblade tournament. That'd be nice. So yeah, go friend me. Username. I'm actually gonna start putting my username in the description so you guys know when to friend me and stuff. Because I really want. Another thing I want to do is host a Switchblade tournament, but that'll happen in October when I have more friends. If I can just level up one more time, that'd be amazing. So I can use my ability. Like my Tesla Storm. This thing's already good enough. It'll get better. Never heard it make that sound before. I need some help on the mushroom lane, guys. I repeat, need help on the mushroom lane, guys. Sorry, headphone users. Jeez. It's like he knows my every move. It's like he knows our team's every move. He smells like a groove. It's terrible when your team is trash, so you gotta try to get a lobby where your team is cracked. But this non-official Sony Blueshock is crap. The battery life is terrible. It literally disconnects every 5 minutes, which is dumb. So yeah, another month of this dumb controller, and then I can switch to something real good. So tonight I'm gonna be watching a movie. So if you don't, so yeah, just in case. I'm just saying random stuff at this point, since like our team is like, where are you, hash you? I didn't put you in my videos to be sloppy. I just put you in to help me. Why are you standing still? Can you go attack them? Why is he frozen? What are you doing, bro? Just don't leave. If you're lagging, then just don't leave. We're not gonna have 2 laggy games in a row because the servers are terrible. Even though your aim is messed up, so what? Just get aim assist. What the heck? Okay, yeah, signs up with the Switchblade servers. I think there's a hacker. Come on, out of all the times the servers can be dumb, it's now when I'm trying to record a video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I know I shredded something. Oh my gosh. Is Hashkin even still here? I don't even see him on my radar. What the crap? Oh my gosh, these servers are so terrible. Get better Sony's servers, Lucid. Jesus Christ. I can't aim anything. Is someone hacking me? What the heck? Just ignore the dumbness. If I die to this guy, I'm actually gonna quit. Oh my gosh, how did he teleport over there? Now these servers, even though these servers suck and the worst, and they're even worse than Fall Guys servers, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe, so you don't have to deal with these trash servers. So you know what it's like being an artillery only. It's great, but it's not that useful when the servers glitch out, and when you're going up against players who have been playing this game for like 10,000 more hours than you. Or as I like to call it, players who dedicate their entire life to this video games since they have nothing else to do in their life. I know everyone was doing that in 2020. Jeez, that took so long to aim. And if they open up the base, I'm gonna leave. Please. Oh my gosh, someone has scored a mob. I've never raged on camera before, but like I'm getting close. Or I'm starting to see like how, why there's not that many players like playing this, because like first, like may explain some problems. I'm actually just gonna make a separate video saying problem Switchblade needs to fix. And you know, one of them's obviously gonna be like the like insane amount of lagging. You just know it. Hate to see it. You don't even. Some players can't even see it because it's like no one wants to see it. Like, look at this. There goes my alt move because the servers are so bad. What the heck? What are you healing? Is something hacked? Is my PlayStation hacked? Like, what the heck? He just teleported. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm backing out after this game. I don't know if I'm like on a hack. Is this like the hacked hour? Switchblade is different hours, which is like really dumb. It's like not dumb. It's like the dead hour, like when no one's on. It's pretty much always except on the weekend mornings. And then there's the peak hour to where everyone is on, like 100 players. And then there's like, I guess this is the hacked hour, like late at night, when all the hackers come on. Like, listen, my aim has been glitched out. Is this why our team like has no kills? Because I could report this server. In fact, how do I report servers? I mean, you can't because no one plays this. Okay, well, I don't understand what's wrong with these servers, but like they need to be fixed right now. I can't understand this. So yeah, well, we're gonna back out after this game, and we're just gonna try again like in like 20 minutes or something, like when all the hackers go, because I don't want my PS4 being hacked. See it. Reason sign was off the servers last night. So you ready to try again? You ready to try again? Just run around in a circle. If that means yes, because you don't have a mic. So me and Ashashi are ready to try again to try and get into a server that isn't hacked. Hold on guys, before I play I'm gonna buy the skin. So it turns out the combo I have not used yet is the Electron and the Berserker. So the Berserker already has a custom skin, so I'm gonna buy a custom skin for the Electron. So I'm just gonna buy that, equip it, and yeah, for the Berserker, here it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna get the Ghost skin eventually, and then for the Electron I'll eventually get the whatchamacallit, the Wild Safari skin. It looks sick. Yeah, for now I'm just gonna be having these cheap skins. So I bought the skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using Berserker and Electron. Yeah, normally from now on I'm gonna be using Thunder Pulse and Electron. So yeah. See you in the match. Oh, we're already in the lobby. Okay, we're in the lobby. Whoa, that was really okay. Whoops, I did not mean to choose the Thunder Pulse. No. No. Artillery. Okay, I got it. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, let's go. See you in the match. Fine, I got both my vehicles first try instantly. And yeah. So that's always a good news. So yeah, it's good to know that you got what you wanted. Alright guys, I fixed my mic audio because it looks like in the last rounds and the last episode it wasn't that turned up that much, so I'm just gonna fix it. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, this guy has the orbital strike, the plasma torpedo, and the Tesla storm. Here's everything. Now let's get to work. So it can do up to like 632 damage per second. Well, if I upgrade one more time. So 420 damage, that's really good. Right. Shred the turret. This is a good game because it's only humans. Yes. Help, there's a bot. Guys, help me. Help. Alright, let's go then. Actually, why am I switching vehicles? I can just stay like this.
Dropship respawn. Enemy diamond tower hall is under attack. Enemy diamond tower hall is critical.
Nice. I can make a lot of trick shots with this thing. This is one of the easiest games yet. Whoops, that was a miss. And I think the mod might not get in because of that miss. Never mind. They got in anyways. Sweet. I'm actually not even going to need to use the Berserker, but why not? I want a chance to be able to use all the alt moves. Please, stop being so good. Wow, couldn't even finish it. Well, that was easy. Thanks for watching the Artillery Only Challenge. See you next time.